Hey there, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Rosa. I love to make food, I love to decorate, I love everything homemaking. So if that's your vibe, stay tuned. Today I have an Easter decorate with me where I put together a few Easter decorations for my house. So here's a little preview of what I'm going to be using to decorate. I'm going to start off with these two bunny baskets. I got these maybe 3 years ago. And I'm just going to be filling them with colorful raffia. I started off putting the small little styrofoam Easter eggs in the bottom of this, but then I ended up taking it out because you could barely see them. And instead I decided to fill with more raffia to bring them more up. And I think this helped with using less decorations, and it did make it look a little bit better. You'll see as I'm taking everything out and then adding in more raffia. So this is what I did for the baskets. Just some big eggs with some little styrofoam eggs. I think it came out cute. This next idea, I grabbed this wooden box crate that I had and I filled it with some green raffia, and then I had decided to add in some yellow and some orange raffia just to give it a pop of color because, you know, Easter is all about the colors. It's coming in spring, and so yes, I decided to give it some more color. And as you see here, the same thing happens. I take everything out, fill it with more raffia. This is how things go, trial and error. But that's how decorating usually goes. You're always changing it up until it gets to what makes you feel like it's the best. Now this wooden crate is actually pretty useful. I've used this wooden crate for Christmas, I've used it for autumn, Thanksgiving, and now I'm using it for Easter. So it's good to have staple things like that. The same thing goes for the space. I've used this for autumn, I've used it for Christmas, and now I'm going to be using it for Easter as well. Now, I was trying to find the best way. I saw many things on Pinterest where people would fill it with eggs and then have a vase of flowers in the middle. I decided to do something a little bit different. I don't think I've seen this one yet, the way I've decorated it. I put in a cup in the middle of the vase just to fill in the middle. And then around the cup I had some brown raffia and I added in some styrofoam eggs. And this just gives a nest look. So that's what I do all around the cup, and then when I get to the top I just keep filling it with more brown raffia, more eggs, and it just gives this cute nest looking decoration. And I think it came out pretty cute. I end up trimming the top of the raffia because I didn't want to stick in. In the end it worked out. It looked pretty cute, a different type of decoration that I haven't seen before, and it's a nice centerpiece. So there are 3 ideas that I'm putting out there for you guys. You guys don't know what to do for Easter decoration this year. This is just some ideas that I had and I threw together. I don't have many Easter decorations yet, but along the years I will be accumulating. I think that's how it works, right? When we move out of our parents' place, we eventually start building up our own collection, and this is my second Easter living alone. I'm happy with what I have. I think everything came out so cute. And yeah, let me know what you thought. Let me know if you try it out. If you do, send me some pictures. I end up putting in a few tools in this crate. You'll see that in a little bit. Anyways, I'm just gonna end off the video showing you how I use these things that I made to decorate. I'll just put in some music, and if you would like to watch that, stay tuned. I'm going to say goodbye for now. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this type of video. Comment below what you would like to see more from me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.